Hi there, everybody. So today I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked pretty often. It's about what's the difference between a subdomain and a subdirectory when it comes to SEO. When it's a subdirectory, so this means, xyz.com/blog. So let's just take blog as an example. So that's what a subdirectory is. And a subdomain is when it's blog.xyz.com. So that's the difference. Essentially what happens is that Google interprets when it's on a subdirectory to be a part of your website. So it interprets it to be part of xyd.com. And essentially what happens is that all of the SEO benefits that that website has built up, including the backlinks, authority, etc., that gets more easily passed along to your subdirectory because Google doesn't interpret it to be a different part of your website. Whereas with subdomains, Google interprets that to be a different microsite that's within your site. So what happens is that your trust flow or your authority that's being passed from this website to this website isn't really one-to-one. Same thing with the situation in which, let's just say your blog attracts you 100 backlinks. It's a lot better if that happened on a subdirectory because now all that SEO juice or authority that's being built up is on just one domain as opposed to being split across two. So that's really the big reason why subdomain and subdirectory is different in terms of SEO. So in most situations, what I would personally recommend is, unless this is a completely different part of your website, maybe it's a gated part of your website, maybe the branding is completely different, maybe the product or service is completely different. Unless it's part of those cases, it's always better to have your website on a subdirectory so that all the authority is kind of built up on one domain as opposed to being split across two different ones.